Hello students, in our previous class we have seen formula for G is equal to Gm upon R square. We have also seen what is the value of the G on the surface of the earth. We calculated it as G is equal to 9.77 meter per second square. Now next topic is variation in the value of small g. This small g value at a particular place on the surface of the earth will be same, but as we move along the surface of the earth, this small g will change due to the following three factors. Let us try to understand. First one is change along the surface of the earth. The earth is not a perfect sphere. It is actually elliptical in shape. It is oval in shape, meaning earth bulges at the equator and it is flatter at the poles. Meaning of this is radius at the equator is maximum and radius of the earth at the pole is minimum. We know G is calculated as Gm upon R square. So if radius is less, G value will be more, and hence G value is maximum at the poles, because the radius is minimum at the poles, you can see, and so G value is maximum at the poles. That maximum value at the pole is given by 9.832 meter per second square. And from this diagram you can see that the radius of the earth is maximum at the equator. If radius is more, G value will be minimum, and this minimum value is 9.78 meter per second square at the equator. So remember, G value is minimum at equator. Why? Because at equator the radius is maximum, and this G value is maximum at poles. The maximum value at the poles we have seen, it is 9.832 due to the minimum radius at poles. Okay. Then next factor which because of which small g value changes is change with the height. Suppose I consider this as the earth, and if someone is moving above the surface of the earth, r in this value will increase, right? Suppose this is the radius of the earth and this is the height to which your object has gone above the surface of the earth, then the radius will increase and g value will decrease as we move above the surface of the अर्थ. बट ये जो जी का वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ये कितना होगा, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो अर्थ के सरफेस से कितना ऊपर जा रहा है. वी नो रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ इज 6.4 इंटू 10⁶ मीटर. अगर मैं किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करूँ इसको तो कैसे करेंगे, यू नीड टू डिवाइड दिस बाय 1000, राइट. तो 6.4 इंटू 10⁻³ बचेगा when this is in kilometer, which is nothing but 6400 किलोमीटर. मतलब किलोमीटर में रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ है 6400 किलोमीटर. नाउ सपोज मेरे पास एक एरोप्लेन है जो अर्थ सरफेस के ऊपर 10 किलोमीटर इट इज फ्लाइंग, so that the distance of that aeroplane changes from 6400 kilometer to 6410 kilometer. तो डिस्टेंस कितना चेंज हुआ, एरोप्लेन अगर 10 किलोमीटर अबाउ द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ इफ इट इज़ फ्लाइंग, इट विल चेंज ओनली फ्रॉम दिस वैल्यू टू दिस वैल्यू, एंड हेंस द चेंज इन द जी वैल्यू फॉर द एरोप्लेन इज निग्लिजिबल. ओके. लेकिन अगर हमारे पास कोई सैटेलाइट है, आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट जो बहुत ऊपर है एज कंपेयर टू एरोप्लेन, देन वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर द चेंज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ द जी, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ आर विल चेंज कंसिडरेबली इफ वी कंसिडर एनी आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट फॉर विच देर विल बी इंक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ आर, और आर अगर इंक्रीज होता है तो जी वैल्यू डिक्रीजेस कंसिडरेबली फॉर सैटेलाइट. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर हियर, अगर हम सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ के ऊपर जाते हैं तो चेंज विद द हाइट मीन्स इफ हाइट इंक्रीजेस रेडियस विल इंक्रीज and g value will decrease. but ये g value कितना decrease होगा is depending कि हमारा object कितना ऊपर जा रहा है. अगर सिर्फ कोई aeroplane है जो 10 किलोमीटर above है then g value will be changing with negligible value. लेकिन अगर कोई artificial satellite है which is moving high at a high distance then g value will be changing considerably. Okay. Then last factor is change with the depth. Suppose ये है हमारा अर्थ. अब हम पहले तो ऊपर जा रहे थे, अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अर्थ के अंदर जा रहे हैं, राइट. चेंज विद द डेप्थ मीन्स वी आर मूविंग बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. अगर हम अंदर जाएंगे तो रेडियस विल डिक्रीज. ओके. अगर रेडियस डिक्रीज हो रहा है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला जी वैल्यू इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू इंक्रीज, राइट. बट व्हाट हैपन्स हियर, द value of m, capital M is mass of the earth, the value of the m is going to decrease. Why? Because the part of the earth which contributes to the gravitational pull also decreases. अगर कोई भी बॉडी सरफेस से निकलकर अंदर जा रहा है तो हमारा अर्थ अब इतना हो जाता है, राइट. एंड दिस पार्ट इज निग्लेक्टेड. और अर्थ जब इतना हो गया तो इस पार्ट का मास कंसिडर करेंगे which will be less than original mass of the earth, and if m decreases g value will decrease. So if we take the combined effect of r and m, it is said that overall the value of the g will decrease with depth. Okay, so this is the variation in the value of g. How it changes along the surface of the earth. Surface of the earth, if it is at equator g value is minimum 9.78 क्योंकि radius maximum है. If it is at the poles it is maximum 9.832 क्योंकि वहाँ पर radius minimum है. According to this formula we can show this. Then second was change with the height. अगर surface of the earth के ऊपर जा रहा है कोई भी object तो radius increase होगा. If radius increases g value decreases, but the decrease also depends at for a distance above which the object is moving. अगर aeroplane है तो g value decrease तो होगा but negligible value से. लेकिन अगर कोई artificial satellite है तो g value will considerably decrease. Change with the depth. If your object is moving inside the earth, radius decreases, so it is expected that if radius decreases g value should increase. But the part of the earth which contributes to the gravitational pull on the object also decreases, which means that the mass decreases, and if mass decreases g value is expected to decrease. So change with the depth, overall we will say that the g will decrease with change in the depth. Means if some object goes inside the earth, its g value will decrease. Okay, students, let me know if you have any doubt in this. By that time, bye bye, see you in our next class.